Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's discuss and practice aligning the hands and feet. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all the latest Tai Chi videos. In Tai Chi practice, it's very important to properly align the hands and the feet and to coordinate the upper body and the lower body. Let's practice and discuss it a little bit. So in all Tai Chi practice, everything begins with the center, is connected through your stances with the ground, and appears at the fingertips. So as you execute a move, everything starts in your center. It connects with the ground and appears in the fingers. Now, as that energy flows and as the move flows from the hands to the feet, it's important to coordinate the hands and the feet. And a basic Tai Chi principle is the hands follow the feet. So generally, in most Tai Chi moves, your feet and your lower body are going to move first, and then your hands follow. Now, getting this just right takes practice, and you shouldn't overthink it. You should just practice and let it flow. So let's practice, and I'll demonstrate a few moves. So in brush and press, as we start with the move, we begin with the center. Now my feet move first, so my heel moves first, and I start connecting with the ground. Then as I shift my weight and my feet go into the proper position, my hands follow, and I finish the move, feeling the energy out with my fingertips. On the other side, I step first, then I flow into my hands. One more. So again, the feet move first, and as the feet and the hands coordinate together, the move can be executed properly. So let's practice that one more time. Again, we want to coordinate smoothly. So don't just think about feet, then hands. Think about one continuous motion. Start the move from the center. Step, feet move first, then energy flows to the hand. Other side. Step, go into your stance, and finish the move. One more. Step, brush, and press. Now in the 24 posture, we go into monkey repulses. So in monkey repulses, it's the same idea. We step first, then as you shift your weight back, you press out with your hand. I open, I step, I feel a connection with my stance, I shift my weight, and then my hands follow. Open, step, shift, and press. Open, step, shift, and press. So now I have good coordination between my feet and my hands. That was coordinating your lower body and your upper body and creating good Tai Chi flow. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Stay strong.